Yeah. It seems like the world is testing me. Will I conquer or will it get the best of me? Half of the world sees success in me, the other half is second guessing me. But I kid you not, don't mess with me, cause I think I got something possessing me. No matter what, I'm gonna give what's left of me. I didn't choose this life, it was destiny. Now I'm feeling like I might go psycho. Stand back cause I'm feeling like I might blow. Slim chance but I'm putting up a fight though. They tell me just the wrong path, but I know what's right though. Let's pick up the world and shake it. Throw it to the ground and laugh as I break it. Let the whole world know that I'ma make it. And if you don't give it to me, then I'm gonna take it. Beast mode, I'm in beast mode. Gunning for the top, cock back, reload. I'm a new man with a new attitude, but don't get me wrong, I'm still me though. I'm all in now, I ain't bluffing. I risk everything, regret nothing. My determination's disgusting, so every day my ass I'm busting. Let me take it back, break it down. Just a couple more months, then college bound. Got a scholarship, my bags were packed, and my world turned upside down when I got that phone call, so shocking. I thought my heart was stopping. Are you serious? This a one in a lifetime opportunity knocking. But wait, what now? Thought I had my whole life